Hello everyone and welcome to my bedroom again. So today I am redoing my unboxing for my Play by Sephora box for this month of April. I actually filmed this the beginning of the week, and when I went to go import and edit, I was missing a big chunk. So only 2 products were actually shown on camera, and I actually had those clips. So yeah, this is what happens when you're a one-woman show setting everything up and you don't realize, hey, I need to press record. So I am redoing the video, and this will not be like a first reaction to what I got because I already know what's in here, but I did still want to share it with you guys because we can kind of talk about the products. We can discuss some things, thoughts about things that were in the pouch, this little pouch here. And I can also interact with you guys in the comment section about what you got, what you love or hate about it, and we can, just chat. So the little pouch says, make it snappy. So that's what it is. And there was a few things that were okay, and we're going to get into it. Okay, so the first thing is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector. This is the skin blurring tint with sunscreen SPF 25. So that's what it looks like, the packaging. And it's in the shade number 06. So here's my thoughts with this. This is very dark for my skin tone. This is what the tube looks like, enough to know whether or not I'm going to actually like it or not. This number 6 shade is very orange. And as I was filming the video, I could see the swatch on my hand on camera, and it kept turning more orange as the time progressed. So I will just swatch it for you guys, and you'll see it kind of looking a little bit peachy, but it's actually very orange in person. So I can't make this work. Shade number 6 is not going to work. I wish I would have gotten maybe a lighter shade. I don't know if it's in consecutive numbering, so maybe shade number 4 or 5 would have worked. I don't know. I didn't even know that they made this. So I wish that I could make this work because I'd like to try it. It has a good SPF 25, but it's just too dark for me, and yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to make that work, unfortunately. But if any of you have tried the Perfector, the skin blurring set, let me know if this is any good, if it's actually worth trying. I also got a sample of the Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. This is the Ultra Light Moisturizer, and I think that this is something that was fairly new because the Purity Made Simple is a very popular range of products within the Philosophy brand. They have makeup remover, liquid, and wipes. They have the cleanser, which is, according to them on QVC, is their #1 seller. And so now they've included a moisturizer with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural oils. It actually feels quite silky and smooth. It smells very lemony. But once it sets, it doesn't have a tacky feel, and it doesn't have a sheen to it. So I don't know how this is going to work on the areas of my face that are more dry, because it doesn't, I don't know if it says skin type. Does it say any skin types? I mean, it has ascorbic acid in it. I just noticed it's a little bit further down on the list, so it's not a lot. But fragrance is pretty much midway through the ingredient list, so if you don't want fragrances in your moisturizers, then this automatically will be out. I got another skincare thing, which is the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. And I'm pretty sure that skincare has been somewhat of a theme for this month because I have another skincare thing to show you guys. But this is a 12.5% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid concentrate that is supposed to help reduce lines. I've never tried this before, and I don't know about the vitamin C percentage. It says 12.5, which is better than nothing. But my Drunk Elephant C from a Day serum, which is my vitamin C serum that I use every single morning, is 15%, so a little bit more. And this smells very orangey. The last skincare thing that I got was the Dr. Dennis Gross Fight Wrinkles While You Sleep Ferulic and Retinol Recovery Peel Pads. There was 2 in this pouch, which is quite nice. I was only expecting to get 1 when I saw this. But when I opened it, there was actually 2, which is quite nice. I'm not sure if I'm going to know whether or not I'm going to like this after just using both of these, especially since it's supposed to be for, wrinkle stuff. It says, for optimal results, use 2 to 3 times a week in the PM. Thoroughly massage treatment pad onto clean, dry skin. It has AHAs, which is alpha hydroxy acid, so that's probably why it says your sun sensitivity may go up. So use SPF the following day after using this. So ferulic acid is really good for the skin, and also retinol is one of the top ingredients that dermatologists will tell their patients to use. Retinol is very good for the skin, keeps your skin looking younger. So I'm excited. I'm going to give these a go. I don't know about tonight, but I'm definitely going to try it. I got a fragrance sample, the My Burberry Blush, which actually is quite nice, and it's a little vial like this, super tiny. This actually smells like a little bit of floral and a little bit of sweetness. I feel like it's a good scent that I would actually use, and I don't mind it actually. I wore it the other day after I filmed. It smells quite nice. I'm going to put a little bit on. You can definitely pick up the very distinctive floral notes in it. Like, I'm picking up rose. And just a subtle kind of sweet twist to that, which I like because I don't like to smell like a bouquet of flowers. It's just my personal preference. If it's going to be kind of floral, have some sweetness to it. Have a little bit of floral, kind of some notes of floralness thrown in there. And by the way, I'm the worst at describing fragrances, so if you are curious about this, look it up because I'm probably going to be off on some of the things that I use to describe it. Okay, so the last thing was the Buxom Plump Up the Volume. This is a, what are these? Oh, the lip glosses. I was like the full-on lip polish, not lip gloss polish. And this is actually really cool. It's in the shade called Celeste, which is gorgeous. Let me see if the camera will focus. So camera, there it is. So the camera there is focusing finally. That's the gloss. Very cool, very pretty, very shimmery. I like the formula of these. I've tried these before and I've talked about how they're kind of minty, but they don't tingle or burn. It's just a nice subtle kind of something there. And it smells like, I was going to say caramel. I think the only thing that I'm not excited about in this box was the HD thing from Makeup Forever. It is too dark, so obviously I'm not gonna be able to use it. Everything else, I will either like it or not, like the other skincare things and the pads. So I think that these are actually pretty good, not bad. I do like the fragrance swatch. I'm glad that, you know, I did get that because, you know, I guess if it was a bad fragrance, you just, you know, toss it or give it to somebody else. But it's always a bonus when it works and you actually like it and it works with your body chemistry. So that is everything for this month's box. I forgot to take my little 50-point thing to Sephora when I went there to buy something during the VIBC. I only bought one thing, which I will show you in an upcoming haul that I'm going to actually film today. So yeah, that was pretty much everything that I got in my little pouch. The Make It Snappy. So overall, not bad. I know that I got some gripe on one of my previous unboxing videos. You know, it's only $10. And I understand it's only $10, but at the same time, I'm entitled to not like it. And if I'm disappointed, I'm going to be honest with you guys and just say, you know what? I don't think it was worth $10 this month. I think that Sephora could do a better job at picking things, especially like this, or anything that is skin tone. They could do better at selecting those products to match. I don't know. It's just that's just the way my brain works. Like, if you're going to give me some skin tone type of products, then at least get it to where it's close. This is something like this one, for example, number 6. I wouldn't be able to make that work because I would look like the Oompa Loompa from Willy Wonka in like 2 seconds flat. So I won't be able to use it. So therefore, you know, that obviously has to get given to someone else or just tossed because it's not like I'm going to make it work. I have my fingers crossed that next month for May, we get some good stuff too. I think so. And yeah, that's it. So let me know what you guys think of my box, of your box. Did you get anything good? Did you get something that was repeat? Let me know. And yeah, that's it. So I hope that you guys had a great day so far. And thank you so much for spending some of your day here watching this video and just spending some time with me. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos in the future, and I will talk to y'all very soon.